Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing on should you buy Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Samsung just announced its Note 10 Lite today with two variants. The base variant is 6GB and 128GB and it cost us around rupees 38,999, which is almost 39,000 Indian rupees. And the top end model is 8GB and 128GB, which cost us around rupees 40,999, which is almost 41,000 rupees. So Note 10 Lite is no doubt a cheap smartphone. It is an upper mid-range smartphone, and is it worth it? Let's find out. Firstly, we will discuss some what are the major specifications. We will not go in the deep regarding the specifications of Note 10 Lite. We get Exynos 9810 chipset, which we saw on S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. The processor is based on 10 nanometer fabrication process. Processor is good. Comparing the price point from the point of view that the phone is from Samsung top tier brand, we get 6 and 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, massive 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging support, and the fast charger is included in the box, so that's good. 6.7-inch display, but the resolution is limited to Full HD Plus with only 393 ppi. That's low for a Note series smartphone. Triple camera, all three with 12 megapixel sensor and OIS support. Camera is no doubt an awesome part of this device. We get S Pen support same as Note 9 functionalities. So we get a S Pen because it carries the name Note, and all the Note series of Samsung carries S Pen with it. We get all these, but is it worth rupees 39,000 for the base variant? Frankly speaking, I did not find Note 10 Lite that impressive. The pricing is a bit on higher side. It should have been near rupees 30,000 or 31,000 for the base variant. In that price, it would have been a great phone and would have increased the sale of the device. What you guys think, mention in the comment section below. In 39 to 40,000 we get OnePlus 7 Pro, or even in 32,000 to 33,000 we can get OnePlus 7T. Both phones are way ahead of Note 10 Lite, both specification wise and performance wise. We get 90Hz display, flagship latest chip, Oxygen OS, and a better RAM optimization. I think OnePlus 7T or 7 Pro is a better option to buy ahead of Note 10 Lite if your priority is performance and value for money. If you need Samsung smartphone with 40,000 with a powerful and seamless performance, Note 10 Lite is available for you. Pre-order has been started from today and will start the sale of Note 10 Lite from February 3 in all the online retail stores and on the Samsung website. What you think of Note 10 Lite? Comment me down. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the future updates.